Yo, yo.
Your license, your thoughts, your fears. No SIM card, no disco, no photo. Not here. Your spirit, your passions, your friends, your prophets, your title, your fashions, your sex, your pills.
Okay, here's NASA taking a shit, and you got the ball Earth. Okay, here's the crew of the space shuttle that supposedly exploded. There they all are. They're right there. Sun's right there. Clouds behind it. The sun's blocking the clouds. How hard is that? This shit's easy. It's not 93 million miles away. You gotta be fucking filthy retarded. Brain dead. Look, blocking the cloud behind it. Blocking the cloud behind it. Clouds in front, clouds behind. Water does not curve. It does not convex. It does this. It finds its own level. Up is up. Down is down. Religion's based on astrology. Jesus is the sun, you fucking goddamn idiots. Sick of the morons that take this shit literal. This whole book is. It's all about the seasons, all this shit. Look at this. Stop being fooled by the church's divide and conquer strategy. It's time to wake up. Sun falls and resurrection brings us light. So, let me just explain this better. Pause this. Okay, here's the deal. The actual sun that walks on water, because it's reflecting light off the water, that's Jesus walking on the water. Okay, that's all that is. It's the light of the sun reflecting off the water. Okay, when Jesus is buried and rises again, it's December 22nd for 3 days. And it does the same thing on the opposite side at the summer solstice for 3 days. It goes sideways. That's why there's a crab at Cancer, because a crab walks sideways for 3 days. So in winter solstice, December 22nd, for 3 days, the sun goes sideways, like in summer solstice, like the crab. It's buried for 3 days. And then on the 25th, it rises 1 degree, and it's born again, and we're saved by the sun, because now the days are going to start getting longer again. It stopped. December 21st, it stopped getting shorter days, longer nights. Now it's in reverse. It's going to be longer days, shorter nights. It's starting on its new cycle, the 180 turnaround. It does the same thing on summer solstice, June 21st. So you're being tricked when they take the shit literally. Some dude died on a cross. Because then look, in the sun in December 21st, it's at the crux. Crux means cross. So it died on the cross, the crux constellation. It's all fucking right there. And these motherfuckers, it's all astrological, and these fucking idiots are telling you some dude died on the fucking cross. It's ridiculous. They're fucking filthy retarded. They got no connection to spirit or source. They don't know what the fuck's going on when they pull this crazy shit. And so, yeah, and then from here on out, now we're saved by the sun, because because anytime the light, the predators are at night. So now, and then the crops are growing. The sun's, it was important. So there. Okay, water does not simply stick to a ball spinning at 1,000 miles an hour. Go get a ball, and you don't even have to spin it. Pour some water on it and see if it sticks to it. You can't repeat this. If it's not repeatable, sorry. Okay, this is what I see when people say they see the curve. Anna Lima proves that the Earth is flat. Okay? It shows position of the sun on the sky in the same time of the day during 1 year. A trace of the annual movement of the sun on the sky is well known among experts of sundials and old Earth's globes as a diagram of change of seasons and an equation of time. Between August 30th and 1998 and August 1999, I've photographed the sun 36 times on a single frame of 60mm film. The pictures were taken exactly at 5:45 Universal Time of every 10th day. So you're seeing here the shorter one is the sun's path in summer. It's lower. Its elevation, the sun's elevation distance from the ground is lower, and it's slower. And then this is Tropic of Capricorn. It's higher and faster for our winter. And this is where you get the story of the hare and the tortoise. Because on the loop of our winter, the Tropic of Capricorn, it's going fast, it's going fast, it's going fast. And then as it goes to our summer, it slows down and the moon catches up. The tortoise catches up to the hare. The hare takes a nap and is overtaken by the moon. It's all right there. This is why they don't want us to know our history, any of it. They hide it from us. Do you still believe the sun's 93 million miles away? Are you out of your fucking mind? Look, there's a picture right there. The sun's blocking the fucking plane and you get a shadow. You'd be amazed if I told you really how close it was. You wouldn't believe me, so I can't even tell you how close the sun is. It's so fucking close. It's ridiculous. Okay, here we go. So, reconcile how you can see always the same stars in the night sky. The whole galaxy spinning in time with Earth, right? Laughing my fucking ass off. Point A, point B. Okay, this is their crazy shit. You got the sun here, 93 million, not, but let's go with their crazy. This is all cartoon, hocus pocus, honky shonky bullshit nonsense. This is their lie right here. 93 million miles away, sun. You could fit a million Earths in the fucking mass volume of it. So let's do this. January, the sun's shining on this side of the Earth. And this side of the Earth is looking at these stars over here, and then over here, it's 6 months later. This side of the Earth is facing the sun, and this side is should be facing a whole nother set of stars. That's not what we see. It's flat. These are the same stars, same stars, same stars. I hope I explained that easy enough. This cartoon for the dumb globe turds. Reconcile. How can you see always the same stars in the night sky? The whole galaxy spinning in time with the Earth. It's ridiculous. Just as I suspected. He's no monster. He's just another government paid shill trying to socially influence us to have faith in globalism. Another fucking shill, globetard. Got your huckleberry. If you Google Earth from space, you will notice that in the image results, every picture looks like a cartoon CGI. Not one real photo. How can this be possible? Not a 24-hour live stream. How can this be possible? Why isn't there a fucking... There's supposed to be thousands of satellites. There should be thousands of actual photographs and not cartoons. There should be thousands of live stream video, verifiable, at live. Okay? Why? Why? Why this? Why do we get this? Why? We give these fuckers $19 billion a year and they give us this bullshit. Why can't we get a real photo? Why can't you find one? Go look right now and find one. Prove me wrong. Go get a real photo. Not a cartoon. Not from DJ Blue Marble. Not that fake shit. Okay? It has to be photoshopped. But it has to be. DJ Blue Marble. It has to be. It's fake. It has to be because there's no real ball. They can't give you a photo. They have to come up with this shit to fool you. It's ridiculous. Should not be hard to understand. Should at least make you question. Okay, there's the source. Aim the triangle. The rays. Line up the rays. There's a ray coming from the source there. A ray coming from the source there. Add this up. What's your distance? It damn sure ain't 93 million miles away because the entire side of the Earth should be coming in parallel. What evidence do you have that you're on a globe? Computer graphics images. What the fuck? And here's your proof of a dome. You can repeat this with a glass and a light. They're called sundogs. So we're in an enclosed, pressurized system. So this is exactly why space doesn't exist. Water's above, water's below. But listen to what they say. They're saying two opposing pressure systems with no physical barrier exist It's impossible. A vacuum means there's no pressure. It's zero pressure, negative pressure. That has to have a container. Same with us. We have a high pressure system. It has to have a physical container, the firmament. This is case closed. Thunder has to echo off of a physical barrier. That's how you get sound, thunder. Harp has to work off a physical barrier. It just goes on and on. Okay, Mars through NASA telescope. Planets are wandering stars. They're just lights. That's all they are. You call stars lights. They're just lights, wandering lights. There's a bunch of lights above. They're all fixed to one another, and some of them do move. And these are wandering lights. Mars through everyone else's telescope. It's just a light. It's not dense. You can't land on it. It's not terrestrial. Then NASA gives you this fake shit. Oh, look. It's insane. Okay, look at this. So here you go. The moon here and the moon here. This is only possible on a flat Earth. Oklahoma, and then right here. So, oh, there you go. Some more sundog proof. There's your repeatable sundog that I just showed you. Proof of firmament. You have to have a glass dome and a light to do this. And there it is. There's your sundog. Boom. I mean, holy fuck. What do you want? Fucking egg in your beer? What else more proof do you fuckers need? Are you fucking that dumb? There's some more. The moon here and the moon there. Again, it's a flat plane. You can't do this on a honky-shonky hocus-pocus ball. Especially spinning at 1,000 miles an hour, because you wouldn't be able to see anything. You wouldn't be able to see that in the sky sitting there. You're moving at 1,000 miles an hour spinning. It's on a picture yourself on the roundup. At the fair, spinning. Picture yourself on a merry-go-round and look out. You're going to see a blur. You can't see this like this. The light would be going on and off like this. On and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. Light, on and off, on and off. Oh, man. Here we go. They can't show you real time. They can't show you real time. Look, this is how we know that no camera exists in outer space. Because if cameras did exist in space, we would have real-time live footage of weather patterns and not these bullshit computer graphics. This is honky shonky. More cartoons for you. Computer graphics. More cartoons for the children. You like children. You love the cartoons. You're children. You love cartoons. Again, why isn't gravity pulling this water to the ground? It's supposed to be pulling and attracting this shit. Because it's electromagnetism, buoyancy, and density. Gravity is a non-proven theory. That's bullshit. Nikola Tesla says the only thing you have to cancel out is electromagnetism. Proven gravity doesn't exist. It's a false theory. Here's your Analema. South Hemisphere, Buenos Aires. Northern Hemisphere, Japan. So what you see here is this is your Southern Hemisphere. So they got the big Tropic of Capricorn. And this is the Tropic of Cancer. And then in the northern, where we are, we have the summer for us is the Tropic of Cancer. And then for the South Hemisphere, the summer is Tropic of Capricorn. And these are Analemas. These prove a flat Earth because a circle looking down on the flat Earth of the circle, the sun loops, it has to take bigger loops. This proves that it's a flat Earth. It's bigger loops. Okay? And you people, you got to get this shit. Okay? Again, Aries failure. Okay? This proves the Earth is stationary. In 1871, Aries went out to prove the Earth rotated, and he failed. He proved it was stationary. You can do real science yourself with a telescope and water. And then go research Michelson Morley when they use like light lasers and prove there's an ether, which Einstein throws out. Oh, let's just throw it out. Here, there's no ether now. We've proven it. There's an ether to make his shit work. Okay, look it up. But But Michelson Morley proved that the Earth is stationary. The world you believe in is photoshopped. Bullshit, honky shunky. More cartoons for the children. You love them. You fucking love cartoons. Look at this shit. Look how flat that is. Okay. 8 inches per distance square says the curve should be looking down at your feet. Looking down, not up. Look how flat that shit is. Why aren't the buildings tilting? What's going on here? Why?